Hi, my name is Spence Clark. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, and I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I was underestimating myself or the potential that I could earn in this business as a drone pilot. So when I saw the profit calculator, it was a done deal for me. Um, I knew for a fact that I had to be a part of this because basically I'm wasting my life not doing it. My biggest takeaways from the event were some of the marketing tools that I learned and some other little knickknacks like different types of insurance that you can have for your drones as a drone pilot, having your own drone business, and some of the different jobs that you can have as well. And I think that they will create positive results for me and my drone business because it'll help me market myself better, earn more income, and be able to set funds aside for my children to survive and create a type of generational wealth, if you would say. And the great thing about attending virtually is that you can set your time aside and do what you need to do at home in the comfort of your own home instead of having to travel out and worry about gas, food, and things of that sort. And I would say to someone who's on the fence about attending Drone Command Live is if you've ever thought about flying a drone or having a drone business or even having a business at all, or even have people working for you and owning a drone business, there's great marketing tools available and great information that will motivate you to want to at least give it a shot. And one of the most valuable lessons I learned that I'll be able to implement rapidly and get results would be the marketing tools. Definitely. Um, I took digital marketing, but some of the things I learned in this class were a little different or may have been worded differently, but there were a few things that I'd never even heard of in my digital marketing class that I could also take into that as well to help on the other end of a business that I started. And if I had to describe Damon and Diego to someone who has never met them, I would describe them as motivating, energetic, comical, and they're roundabout nice guys. They're pretty cool.